Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yep, I'm in a big huge piece of crap right now. If you're wondering where I am, yes, I'm in one of them, you pull it type places. But first and foremost, please like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. Today, yes, I'm actually at a junkyard because there are some things I need, and I figured while I'm here, you guys might want to see what they have. I haven't been here in a long time, and looking around, it looks like it's changed. So we're gonna walk you guys around and see what big huge pieces of crap they have. So here we go. Okay, this one's got an air conditioner in it. I did put my hand in something yucky. Ugh. I mean, yeah, this place is, oof. I've come here a lot for parts. All your pickup trucks, Dodge. I mean, some of these vehicles, man, are just so smashed up. And I know at this place, these cars don't. They stay here for a couple of weeks and they just disappear. They just core out whatever they need and crush the rest. I mean, some of them are cars that are just, the motors have shot, or people have given up on them, or they just been in a really bad accident and people just don't want them. But I'm not going to try and get in anybody's way while I'm here. Yeah, it's been a while since I've been here, and looks like it's gotten quite cluttered. I don't know, maybe they stopped getting rid of them after a couple of weeks. I mean, this place is definitely an obstacle course. Oof. A lot of Cobalts here. Basically the updated Cavalier. I'm just trying to find the really heavy hit ones, because those ones are always good. I mean, you get some of the older cars like this Buick. Jeez, the old 3.8. Some people get halfway out pulling the motors out and just give up. And that, my friend, is how you hold up a hood with a subframe. The heck is it? A 2008 Chevy? What is it, like a Malibu or something? Yeah, it's a Malibu. These cars were a dime a dozen. Disposable too. Even these HHRs. Just garbage vehicles altogether. I mean, it's not too bad in some of them, but some of them, man, they're just ripped apart. And a lot of people come here to charge you $2 to walk in the door and pull off whatever part you need. The prices are cheap. I mean, I don't know how much I'd trust like a motor or a transmission out of here, but in any vehicles like this. And what happened to this poor thing, I have no idea. I don't know if that was maybe the jaws of life they had to use, to get somebody out of it. What the hell was it, a Nissan Altima or something? Yeah, it's an older Altima. Wow. Yeah, this thing has been tossed around a little too much. I mean, you can spend all day in this place trying to find what you need. That's what I mean by, there's just it's been a long time, like I said, like I've been here, and it's never been this bad, where things are just thrown everywhere. Usually they keep it pretty clean. I mean, yeah, I understand it's a junkyard, but phooey. Ford Explorer. Ford Exploder. Oh my god, an even older one. You don't see a lot of these anymore. God, what year is it? 1994. So this is the reason why it's here. Because in New York State, everything rots out. Everything. Because we use rock salt on our roads, and you get one. Whoo, smell that gas tank. Whew. Well, at least they were nice enough to leave the sunroof open so it didn't stink too much. But yeah, here in New York, I mean, you get rust going, forget it. It just eats everything. Man, minivans. Usually they got them categorized, but kind of seems like they're all thrown all over. Older Mitsubishi Eclipse.
You don't have a wrench on you, do you?
No, sorry, man. 2009. Yeah, a lot of guys will do that. They'll ask if you have any tools on you. Probably a 10mm. That's the most common one lost. Yeah, this car wasn't really anything special. Old Volvo. Man. Yeah, minivans galore in here. Little Rangers. All the common stuff winds up here. And when they go to die, they crush them up like that in the back. Core everything out. What the heck is this thing? Not a... Oh, Grand Cherokee. It just looked really tall, that's all. Guys having fun in here. Old Dodge Caravan. And believe me, if they leave anything good in these cars, these guys here find it. And it disappears. Oh, here's one. And the windshield's covered up like that, you know. If there's any wind noise, I apologize now. Yeah, this car was hit real bad. Whew. I'm gonna rip part of the suspension right out of it. Yeah. A little peek in the inside. I mean, look at the doors. Way to hit like that. This is something you would find at Copart. And they try and resell it. Ford Fusion. Diamond Dozen car too. All this nice wonderful junk I crawl through. Yeah, 2012. See, that's the thing here. I mean, if there was biohazard stickers on these cars, these guys wouldn't care. They'd open the door anyways. That's junkyard. I mean, when you get spots like that and you don't know what the heck they are, yeah, you try not to touch too much. I mean, for all the airbags basically to deploy. Look at that door. I mean, look at this seat. How smashed up that is against the center console. So if you were sitting on that side, I mean, I can see the outside right there. That's how bad that door is crushed. Man. Hey, somebody leave you any hand sanitizer? Yeah, they did. I don't want it. Yeah, this car it's done. It's a parts car, that's why it's here. But that door, I mean, that thing is in like a foot. Easy. It's in way too far. Man. The door don't even shut. Nice sludge all over the place. Oh. Like I said, some of these cars are just You know, motors go or they just rot out. Or you get the juicy ones like that once in a while, insurance cars. Things like that. Old Dodge pickup. Ford Escapes, these things were not the best things at all. They was rotted out in the rear ends and the frames. They were horrible. A lot of guys, what they'll do too, they'll take parts and then hide them. I've discovered more parts like that. Oh, the Honda no Tiburon. Oh, a Pontiac G6. Wow. Nothing but junk. But if you need stupid stuff, odds and ends, this place is great for it. These Escapes, there's a lot of them in here. Oh, blazed. Well, the S10 pickup trucks, I thought it was a Blazer for a second. But nope. Man. Jeez. Place, they haven't cleaned this place up in a long time. Try to make my way through. And then when it really rains, you get that puddle is nothing compared to what it'll be here sometimes. Old Ford F-150. And this one probably had a really good interior in it. That's why nothing's in it anymore. They took the seats right out of it. Shockingly, somebody filled in the cab corner with that spray foam stuff for inside the cracks of houses. And an airplane's coming over, which means it's going to get loud for a second. So, sorry about that, guys. Bigger Ford F-150. Surprised this is here. Most guys usually just try and sell them. Yeah, it took a lot out of it. Jeez. Yeah, you took the whole steering wheel, the bag, and all the gauges, the radio. Surprised they didn't take the airbag out of it. I mean, this truck doesn't look like it's in, oh, okay, down here it's pretty rotted. A lot of these guys will rock these four doors, man, until there's nothing left. Or if it gets hit. Throw nothing but a bunch of crap in them. And you get vans like this where they're just all hollowed out, nothing in it. Oh, man. Let's see what other good stuff they got. Ugh, tripping over stuff. Yeah, one thing here, don't wear good clothes, because you're going to get dirty. Don't wear good sneakers, because you will trash them. Just wear some ones you don't care what happens to them. That's why I got on these crappy ones. I don't care what happens to them. Now this Cobalt, look, I mean, everything is just so rotted on it. I mean, the suspension is just, everything's leaning. It's so rotted out. I mean, look at that. They're just junk. I mean, they were good little cars at one point, but not anymore. Get those cars about 10 years, they're pretty much garbage. And this is gross. That is, oof. Old Cavalier convertible. Wow. See, this right here, you don't know how much oil is in that. I can guarantee you a lot of it. Oh, man. Old Volvo. Wow. Alright, guys. I'm going to cut this one here. I'm going to make some more. So, if you guys are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell for notifications. Leave a comment down below. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.